guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be, we need to clap that intro in there. Reviewing and unboxing supplies. So let's get them unboxing. These are all from Bauer. They're camera supplies. We got 2 camera stands. I'll explain what this is and I'll explain what this is. Okay, so let's start with the first thing. One, that's what I picked. Hopefully your cameras won't fall down because this is one of the tripods. So hopefully the camera won't fall down again after this. Okay, so we cut the tape. Okay, let's open this up. Let's see the packaging. It's actually very easy to cut. And open. Wow! Nothing else? Okay. I like the design. Okay, so this is what it comes in. We got the Bauer top grid tripod. It tells you how to use it. And it's, oh wow. First of all, this is what it looks like. Oh wow, that just pops out. Okay, so this is what it is. Has a rotating, it's rotating. Oh, wait, no, it's not supposed to rotate like that. Okay, so just open it up. Wow, that's easy. You can make it like this, and I can make it even bigger. Let's see the biggest it can go. This is the biggest it can go. Let's see. I'm gonna make it like this now. Oh, and it can grow bigger for your phone size. Now this thing can pop right off if you want to put it on a camera stand. Like, yeah. There's this part, like if you buy any camera stand, there's usually this part, which can attach to this part. I have a whole lot of these. I have like a blue one that just broke, so we got these. I'm so sorry for not posting. I almost forgot to tell you. I am so sorry for not posting. I did do something. I'm waiting for something to arrive, which is this. But we got these from Walmart. It has this little thing that you can do. Okay, let me see this. You can attach more things. I'll show you when I open this one. This is the other one. I think it's this. Let's see this one. Oh, this is a wireless remote shutter. So basically you can attach it to your camera stand, which I'm guessing this is all from the same brand. So I'm guessing I can like attach it to here somehow. And you can do your you can like start the video. I can be like this with my remote in my hand, and I can start the video without even needing to get up or having to do like this. Or when you guys are far away, I know you guys see me when I'm just like far away from the camera. Okay guys, so I think we finally got it. We're gonna have to open it from the top. So let's open it. Ugh. Like, whoa, this one is hard to open, guys. See you when I open it. Okay, guys, I think I got it. That was hard. This whole entire thing had to come off so I could open it. Wow, that was hard. Oops. Okay, so let's pop this out. Wow, this is like a tight packaging. Everything's super tight. Like, you guys saw how easy it was for me. I didn't like pause the video or anything. Okay. All that struggle for this, so yeah, another manual. So what do you do with this? So this is it. Okay guys, so I just read the settings. I need my phone for this. So you're gonna go to your Bluetooth. You're going to need to turn it on. Mine was off. And then it says you're gonna turn the on switch. So you see this, guys? Let me focus it. You see this? There's like a little like switch right here. It's not really focusing, but there's like this little switch here. Let me like put you somewhere. I'm gonna put you back where you were. So you're gonna put the off and on switch on. You're gonna turn it on and it should start blinking just like this, it says. And then it says pair your phone with the power shutter on the Bluetooth settings menu. Okay guys, so we finally got the Bluetooth, and guess what? You guys didn't see me start like with my hand over here because I just used the Bluetooth controller. It'll start blinking and then you go to your Bluetooth settings and it will show you, it'll say shutter. Yeah, it did. And then I clicked on it and it connected right away. Anyways, this is great, and it even comes with a bracelet. I don't know where I put the bracelet. Oh, it's right here. So it even comes with the bracelet that you can attach, but I'm not going to attach it because I don't want to right now. But yeah, you can just start a video doing like this, and no one will know that it's a remote shutter. I'm probably going to use these a lot, so that's great. Oh, who am I kidding? I can use this. Next, our next one is this. Let's cut. Okay. Okay, not the easiest, but not the hardest. Okay, I found. Open it. Okay. We opened it. Okay. This is an easier thing to open. This was pretty easy. Oh, this packaging is black, not clear. Oops, let's turn it over. So this is a light. Oh, wow. Whoa. This one's a whole entire different packaging. Like the past ones, they just come in these, and it's just one big hole. But this one is like a black. It has different sections. So let's see. We don't need this. Just fill out. So what's this? Let me take stuff out. So we got the light, the actual light here. Wonder how you turn it on. Where's the manual? I don't know. Oh, these are the lens. So I think, I don't know yet. I think what you're supposed to do is you take this and you put it over the camera. I think you're supposed to put it like this. You put it over the camera and it changes. It comes with many of these. It says there were 3 different types. Yeah, there's 3 different types, 3 different levels of brightness. You got the blue shade, which just makes it's not actually going to be blue, I don't think. We got the white shading, which I'm probably going to use most, and we got the orange shading, which is great. Let me try and put it on. Wow, it just clicks on, and then we need to figure out how you turn, like, you actually, oh, stand here, I think. Oh, we got another camera stand. Oh. Oh. So you do this, you have this, I'm guessing you screw this on. Okay guys, so I found the manual. So you're supposed to take the light. I'm doing this with you guys. We're going to put it on the bottom part right here. You're going to screw it in. Screw it in, and then you're going to take this part, you're going to, oh, and then there's a square here, needs to be screwed in very nicely, and then there's something, and you're supposed to slide in this little square here. So let's slide it in. I think this is how it goes, guys. I think so. I'm not a professional. I don't like work there. I'm just like here. Very nice. Okay, wait just a sec. If you take this, I just realized, guys, we don't need this particular one. If we slide this off here, we can actually put it on here too. It has another slider. This was the other one. I can mash it up. Wow! And then I put my phone here. I'm going to probably insert like a photo of how each one works. Oh, this looks so cool, guys. Wait a second, can I do this? I'm gonna do this. I just wanna see if I can do this. Yeah, I can. It's great, okay. Anyway, how does this light work? Okay guys, so guess what I just figured out? The cord here, I'm plugging it into a computer, or basically it's like a charging cord. I'm going to show you real quick. You see that's beeping? That means it's charging. I didn't read this, I just plugged it in and then I realized, look at this symbol. This is a charging cord. So once it's done charging, I'll test it out for you guys. So I'll probably review this after I unbox the other things and once it's charged. So yeah, just so you know that if you were confused as I am. And this little flap is to take off the clear part, which we're not going to do right now. Next one is this one. Let me see, this is a phone tripod mount. It's kind of like this phone holder and that one, just in a different. This part is only the top part. It's like this part is not the actual tripod like this. It's the part that actually holds it, and you need to attach it to a tripod. So yeah, this one has a 360 rotating mount, so it might be a bit different. Let's open it. Let's cut it. Open. Cutting time. Just kidding. Open. How do you cut this? You open it? Oh, by the way, I forgot to say, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a huge thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell to see more videos just like this. Let's open this. I cut it. It's not working. Okay. Okay. There we go. This one was pretty easy to cut. We got the little manual right here. Let's open it. Oh no. Okay, we got it. Open. Nothing else in there. Okay. This is pretty cool. Let's compare it to this one. Open this. Sorry about that. Anyways, so this is this one. You can do this. Okay, so this one is a 360. Rotating 360. Okay, what is this? Oh, this is cool. So on the top part, you can make it bigger. You see when I'm scrolling this part grows here. Wow. Okay. That's good. That's good. That's pretty good. That's cool. Sorry. Let's gonna go ahead and do this. And let's open this part. This part's probably the 360 part. Whoa, look. Guys, it's literally rotating just like that. Bam. 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 Wait, I want to see something. Before I do too many bams, let's do this. Do this. So we're going to take this. We're mashing them up tonight. And then we're going to take this. Whoa. Look at this, everyone. Whoa. This is so cool. So you can attach this bit in here. Wow, look at that. And then actually on this one you cannot attach the light, which is okay. I mean, you're not supposed to attach the light on each one. But yeah, this is this one. I added the stand. It does not come with the stand. Yeah, let me show you the 360 rotating. Wait, what? Look what you can do. Wait. Part just... Whoa, we're taking out everything here. Look what I can do. I can do like this. I can put it like this on here. Wow. Now that's cool. Look. But now because it's taking too long. But wow, you can even just do this. It's just as a camera, a regular camera stand. But no, we're not doing that. We want it to be a 360 camera rotating. thing. But it's supposed to be attached to this. So, yeah. So we finally got it. My phone just fell. So we're gonna attach it to this. But yeah, you get it. This is some really good camera stands. Hold the on and off button for 2 seconds, it says. Oh, wow. What they gave us shadings. Let me put on the shading. Whoa, let me turn it off first. Whoa. Okay, we're gonna try the white shading. I meant the blue shading now. Okay, I get why they gave us some shadings. Oops. Hopefully it's not too bright. Ah, that's way too bright. Ah, we need the orange. We need the orange one. Wow, that was bright. I'm guessing it's not really I think you need to use the orange one if it's going to be a selfie, but if you're going to show something, you want to use a brighter one. Let's do the orange and see how that goes. Do not stare directly into the light. Okay, this one's actually, wow. These are pretty bright. But, oh, this is pretty nice. Now let's use the white light. Yeah, that's bright. Okay, now that looks nice. Let me do something real quick. Let me use the phone. Wait, I'm gonna use this. This is the camera with the light is right here. See my shadow. This is the light. We're using the light. I just realized that if you click it again, it makes it brighter and brighter. And then it makes it darker. Now let's change the lens. Okay guys, that was the white one. Let me turn on this one, sorry. This one's the orange one. It's actually more tinted in real life. Let's turn up the heat. And again. Yeah, that's the orange one. Show the same thing every time. And this one is the blue one. This is 1 heat, 2 heat, and 3 heat. Wow, this is way bluer in real life. But wow. Like that video. Wow, I'm really liking this lighting. Let's change it. I really hope you guys liked it. This is the white lighting. I'm not going to do the orange right now. But I hope you guys liked this video. Now subscribe, give this video a huge thumbs up, and turn on notification bell to see more videos just like this. Don't forget to subscribe for my slime shop. I have no orders, which is really sad. I worked on this really hard. I tried to make the most quality slime. And yeah, I guess the last thing to say here is peace. And question of the day before I say peace is, which one was your favorite? What camera supplies would you buy if you could? And which one was your favorite? And now we can say, what can we say? We're going to use this. Peace.